Hello everyone, every there and everything. Ako nga pala si Mira Recuerte. My Himi username is admin Mira. Then my user ID is 217750. My favorite food is pancit, adobo, sinigang, paksiw na bangus. Lahat ng paksiw, no? So, gusto ko yun. Then, my favorite drinks is soda, like Coca-Cola, Mountain Dew, tsaka kape. Coffee is life talaga para sa akin. Then, my favorite hobbies is watching TV, watching K-dramas, then playing games like Earth Tycoon, Chris Rock, and etc. So, maraming games ng char. Ano ba? My dream is sana makapag-travel or makauwi ng hometown, no? So, yun talaga. Wish ko lang. Ay, tiyan. Message ko sa team, sipagan lang natin lagi. So, be positive, no? And keep going lang and be strong. No? Sama-sama lang tayo. So, that's all and bye-bye!